Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video, we have this question here which is 10 plus 10 divided by 2 minus 10. So since we are following the PEMDAS rule, we are going to have division first because addition and subtraction follows it when we are moving from left to right. So we take the division first. Now we have 10 divided by 2, which gives us 5. So we are left with 10. This gives us 2 plus 5 minus this 10. After the division, the next thing we have to follow is addition and subtraction. So we have addition. Addition gives us 10 plus 5, 15 minus 10. Now subtraction. So 15 minus 10 gives us nothing else but 5. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.